Hello! Today I'm going to unboxing Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon, Encanto, and Strange World on Disney Blu-ray. Let's starting with Raya and the Last Dragon. Up there was the very best of Disney. Walt Disney Animation Studios' Raya and the Last Dragon travels to the fantasy world of Kamandra, where humans and dragons lived together in harmony long ago. But when evil was threatening the land, the dragons sacrificed themselves to save humanity. Now, 500 years later, that same evil has returned, and it's up to a lone warrior, Raya, to track down the legendary last dragon to restore the fractured land and unite its divided people. And the bonus features includes an introducing to Us Again short film, Taste of Raya, Raya Bringing It Home, material artist, We Are Kamandra, outtake, fun facts, and Easter eggs. The story behind the storyboard was John Ripa, and delete scenes X5. Let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray disc. Next we have is Encanto. Experience the magic with the movie and all new sing-along. Walt Disney Animation Studios is Encanto, with original songs by Woodward Lin-Manuel Miranda, tells the tale of the Marigals, an extraordinary family living in a magical house in the Colombian mountains. But when Mirabel, the only ordinary family member, discovers the magic surrounding their home is in danger, she may be her family's last hope. And the bonus features includes sing along with the movie and introducing to Far From the Tree short film, Firmino Los Toto, Discover Colombia, A Journeys for Music, Let's Talk About Bruno, Arcasita, outtakes, Journey to Colombia, delete sings, and song selections. Let's open up now, shall we? Here is a Blu-ray disc. And finally, here's Strange World. From the studio that brought you Encanto and Big Hero 6, Walt Disney Animation Studios' original action-packed Strange World introduces a legendary family to explore the Clades as they attempt to navigate an uncharted, treacherous land alongside a motley crew that includes a mischievous blob, a three-legged dog, and a slew of ravenous creatures. And the bonus features includes Anatomy of a Scene, Strange Science, Creature Feature, The Hidden Secrets of Strange World, outtakes, and delete scenes. Let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray disc. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon, Encanto, and Strange World on Disney Blu-ray.